Welcome back to the channel. So I really like this thing. It's like a little jet drone, man. It's like a little jet plane. So this is the high speed. It's a little chilly out here. Here and there, you gotta catch this bad boy at times and make this thing act kind of wonky. I'm giving a little bit of forward flight. Because when I turn it is when it gets kind of weird. Real cool little RC jet drone. Has LED lights. It's in the shape of very cool looking little drone though. Very cool. Look at that. Woo, woo. Woo. Wow. Too windy for that boy.